Okay, so these just came in. I was actually in the shower, so I have wet hair still. And I saw DHL drive up. Happily, it's still Christmas break. So my kids are here, and one of them answered the phone, or well, not the phone, the front door, and got the Pro6 keyboard skin. So let's unbox them, shall we? Okay, there's my knife, and I will use that to cut this open. Yeah, it's hard to do this one-handed. Already removed the import, export, and all that stuff, so we don't have addresses and things. Someday I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to do these unboxing videos. I see them. Okay. So there we go. I was a little concerned about the printing, and that looks good. So here is a bundle. I have no idea how many are in that bundle, but that is a bunch of them. So let's get these out. And they have used the heck out of this industrial strength saran wrap. It's so cool to see something you had an idea for and then designed and see it in person. I remember my first book feeling like that. So. Man, this would be better with two hands. Aha! Okay, so here's one. The printing looks pretty good to me. Oh, I was hoping to stuff this with something, so I guess I'll just have to include that in there. But guess this is mine. Let's see what it says. Yeah, I could use the knife, John, but I don't want to cut them inadvertently, so I'm just going to take this out. Okay, here it is. That looks right to me. Okay, in person the printing is clear. I was concerned about that. Now let's test the fit. Happily, when I was designing one of these, I ordered the keyboard that it goes on. So, the moment of truth. And it fits perfectly. So there we go. That's the Pro6 keyboard skin. Feeling a little choked up. Look, the caps lock light shows through. That was good. it's just so cool to have an idea and see it come to fruition in person. So that is the Pro6 keyboard skin, and if you ordered one on Indiegogo, or if you are a member of Church Tech U, either way, I will send those out to you. So the yellow is a little difficult to see, so maybe that's a change for the next iteration, but man, it's cool to see these in person. Thanks, John. John said I did a good job. So, thank you. And here, let me turn the camera back around. Somehow the rotation is not doing exactly what I expected to do. I'm holding it in portrait, or in landscape, but it's shooting in portrait. Where did I get those? I designed them, and then I contacted a factory in China using Alibaba, because I'm in general a favor of lighting a candle, and I think the more non-communism they experience, the more likely they are to stick with that. So I contacted a factory and had them make them, and there were quite a few factories bidding, and then there we go. Tom Hunter Pratt, what is the quickest way for me to get my hands on one of those for the second run? Well, I had intended on having a page ready so that you could do that, but like right before I hopped in the shower, I got the message that they were coming today as opposed to in 2 days. So I'll have that page up here soon, and I will be happy to take orders for the last few that aren't spoken for. I have 150 of them, and they're going to churches all over the world, and then we can go from there. If you wanted to be assured to get one, the only way that I can say for sure to get one is with the I'm sending them to all the members of my Church Tech U community. So the people that already paid, then Church Tech U get priority. Then any that are left I'll sell, and then we'll do another run if there's enough interest. They will ship out, not today, because I don't have the packing supplies yet, as I said. I'm a little pleasantly surprised, but they will ship out soon, probably in the next few days. Sometime this week, I will start shipping them. So, that will do it. If you want to join Church Tech U and get all of my ProPresenter courses, all my other Church Tech training resources, and a keyboard skin, you can do so. For the monthly, it's first month is $1. If you go with the yearly, the first month is free. So go to tdm.fyi/CTU tutorial, and that'll take you there, and you can sign right up. Okay. Didn't hear the beginning. The beginning was just me unboxing, so I'm really excited about these. So there it is on the Magic keyboard, which it was designed for, and it fits perfectly. Couldn't be happier with the fit. I had wanted these keys outlined, but they're fine not outlined. They said, the printer said that that would be difficult to do. The only thing is maybe in the next run I'll change from yellow to something a little more legible. I don't know, we'll see on that. That might cause me to have them make a brand new mold or something, so that would increase the price. But there you go. That's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and we'll go from there.